Today we talk about how can you enable membership updates notifications about Audible accounts notifications app. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on this sign down here. So when you just click on this sign here, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on Amazon shopping here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here. So until you will find here Audible account updates here, you will find the membership updates. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean your membership updates about your Audible accounts notifications enabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.